It's me, yeah! It's your boy C-O-N-Seated, aka Jimmy Shoe Tron, back again with another weekly pickup video for you. Now hopefully everybody's staying safe and clean in this quarantine. Now I got bit by an uptown bug, alright? Now this is what I mean by this. For anybody who does not know, uptowns is what New Yorkers call Air Force Ones. That right there is like the staple shoe. Every city has their staple sneaker. LA got the Cortezes, DC got the Foamposites, and New York City got the Air Force One, aka the Uptown. I got bit by that bug and I was just going bloody, right? Going ham on them. Copping joints that I had already but don't have no more, or they beat up, or I sold them or lost them. Joints that I even had that I just doubled up on. There's a few that I never had and I've been dying for them. We're gonna get into all of that right now. The Kiwis, love these joints. That color, burgundy with like that kiwi green, that orange right there. 06, 2006 Kiwis. You know, that was when the patent leather Air Force Ones was just taking over the scene. One of my favorite pairs of the patent leathers. Really, I damn it like all of them, to be honest. Next up, the USA World Cup Air Force Ones. Woo! Woo! What a time, what a time, what a time. Patent leather uppies. Look at that, that navy blue, the red, white midsole, blue outsole. Crazy. Next up, Uptown Vibes. We still in the World Cup. Woo! Portugal's part of the World Cup pack. I know I'm bringing a lot of y'all back. Let's keep these Uptowns going, baby. I know Nelly will be proud. Nothing in my Air Force Ones. I need to burn. Jigga Man to be happy right now. You know when he was doing the Yankee fitters, the button ups and the all white ups? We're bringing it back. St. Patty's Day. St. Patty's Day. Crazy. That premium hang tag. I love this hang tag, man. Premium Nike hang tag. What's up next? Yo, this, oh man, the NBA All-Star Air Force One. Damn, son. Get 06 on there. 06 is on the tongue. These are my favorite joints. I would have worn these for 4th of July, but we all know that's canceled this year. And also, before I go about these, the best thing I like about them is that blue translucent bottom. Like, that joint is a blue. This is crazy, one of my favorites. I know a lot of y'all watching this like, memories. This is memory, yo, this is memory lane right here. This is not that new shit. You can't teach this. It's not something you can teach. You just had to have been there. You had to have been outside for this to touch you like that. Pause if needed. This is for people was outside getting all the up. This is for y'all. I do this for y'all. And me with the feet. But the videos are for y'all. But let's keep it going, because that's what y'all here for. Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter. This is the second pair of Easters. So the first one came out in 05. I actually was supposed to get that pair too. I did not get it, but I will be getting it soon. This is the second one, the 06 pair. I don't know which pair I even like better. I'm leaning more towards this one. Probably only because I got it. So of course, I gotta keep it going. So let me just keep it going without too much talking. So I know right now y'all really want to say, shut up. So I'm gonna do that and just go, bam, Brown Pride, Mr. Cartoon. See the clown right there? She. I know a lot of y'all know the Mr. Cartoons, y'all know the Live Strong ones. I like those. And then you know the blue pair, the main pair that everybody knows. There's like 2 versions of those. There's one I think with a clown on the toe and a spider web on the toe. I don't have neither of those, but I do have these, the Brown Pride pair, which I like this pair the most first, then the black and yellow pair, and then the blue pair. So good thing I got these. Moving on, you guys probably know what this is. Now y'all seen me have the blue pair before in one of my weekly pickups, but this time on this episode of weekly pickup of Air Force One Quarantine Crazy, we got the rose pair. Let's take this out because you making it look ugly. Yeah, there we go. Definitely not putting these laces in. They can kill that. Clock Rose Air Force One. This and the blue ones are my favorite ones. I also like the white pair. The white pair is tough. White pair is tough. Show y'all something real quick. What I like about the lace tips, this joint got the white lace tips. See that? Fire. I'm Clyde. Y'all doing it. Why stop now? Why stop now? We heated up. Going crazy. We heating up. Why are we gonna stop now? Are we gonna stop now? Hell no. Oh my. Yo, I'm bugging out. I'm bugging the fuck out. Yo, now, who remembers one of my weekly pickup videos when I was like, yo, these are the Brazils, but I wish I had the Ronaldinho. Yo, I'm getting myself mad. I'm getting myself mad. Yo, so do you know how, this is one of the pairs that I was talking about. Never had this. Dying for them. Wanted them badly back in the day. Never got them. Just never got them for whatever reason it was. Maybe I didn't have the chicken at the time. Couldn't find them. They were sold out. Whatever it was. Never had this pair, and I've been looking for this particular pair for the longest. And I finally got them. Ronaldinho Air Force Ones. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Green translucent sole. And of course, you already know the thing that I love the most about it. There we go. There we go. 06, the best year. Hands down, 06, the best year for Uptowns. I don't want to hit. I don't want to hit. No, I don't want to talk about nothing. 06, best year for Uptowns. 1,000,000% fact. I don't care what ill sneak be like, yo son, 05 had, I don't care. Yo, but 08, actually 08 was dead trash. Probably like only a couple out. And like 09, 02, I don't care. 06 was the best year for the uppies. Yeah, I understand there's certain years that got crazy, bro. But nigga, what? The PlayStations came out, the original PlayStation. 06 was the best year. Yeah. I understand certain joints came out that year that it was lit. Like, let's say whenever the Vibes came out, that was crazy. The Houston Astros All-Stars, that was crazy. But yeah, that's one. 06 was the best complete, the best. And I'm proving it. And we're gonna continue to prove it. How you gonna do that, Con? The citrus. Yo, see, these type of kicks, son. These Uptowns, these all 06 uppies and all that. See, here's the thing. Whoever don't like Uptowns, y'all may not like these anyway. But the ones who do, these are the classics. These packs, these years, the nostalgic classic vibes, man. If you into all the new stuff, that's you. That's you. This shit hit different for the niggas that was outside. That's all I'm saying. I will keep it a buckaroony with you. I'm not gonna be mad at this particular pair you don't like. Because I didn't like it way back in the days. It was like a couple years later, I was fiending for them. This was a pair that I actually originally hated. But, got them now. So, happy about that. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Oh, sure. Harlem Renaissance. Harlem Renaissance. Look at that sock liner. Look at that sock liner. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It just, yo, don't relax, calm, relax. Let me just get back to business. Again, hang tag, just always gotta show it. Always gotta show it when I remember at least. Bam. Harlem Renaissance. This is one of my best weeks. I know I had other joints that, you know, I done capped out at like 50,000. All type of just crazy prices and crazy exclusive rare, but this is one of the best as far as favorites. As far as favorites and exclusives, this is one of the best, and I'm still going. Oh! New York went crazy over these. These are World Cup, the Netherlands. The Netherlands Air Force One, part of the World Cup pack. Lit tea, okay? Damn. This pair actually been running away from me for a long time. You can see the inside of it. We're about to get down to the last two. No more talk. Medicom. Look at that. Look at that. Look. What's that? There's nothing on there. Nothing on there. If you know, you know. You guys see that logo. There's nothing more to talk about. Nothing more to talk about. Look at these, the Medicom Air Force Ones. Fire. Alright? But now we got down to the last one. This is not it. There is one more. But since, you know, this has hair on it, you know, and all that. So, you know, why not keep that same theme going and break out one of my grails of all time? Bow! The year of the dog, Air Force One. Yo, look at this. Look at this. This was one of the greatest joints ever made. To me. it's just one of those things, man. It's just those things. I don't even want to talk no more. I can't talk no more, man. Look, I love y'all. This was another weekly pickup. This was a special Air Force One edition one, aka an Uptown edition. So you know what it is. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, all of that. Do that, and I will be back again with another video for you. Peace.